My TV, your TV, kumusta? Pilipinas, og Happy Fiesta, pagadian. Viva Pit Senyor Santo Niño, og karong orasa. Usa ka dakong oportunidad nga atong mahinabi live ang pinakabuutan nga anak sa atong numero 1 konsehal sa Dakbayan sa Pagadian nga si Honorable Engineer Roger Asidilio, si Sir Franz Asidilio. Sir, Happy Fiesta.
Happy Fiesta.
So, kung sa atong wish karon sa Fiesta sa Pagadian, kay ba mo jud ko nga ikaw all the way from abroad, ya karon naka-witness ko karon nga nakabalde ka diri aron nga mo feel mo ka sa paglambo sa syudad sa Pagadian.
First and foremost, I want to say like maayong adlaw sa tanan. Happy Fiesta Pagadian, Viva Pit Senyor. It's so good to be here. I haven't had this experience in a while because every time na ay sinulog, najug mi sa Cebu, and now it's good to have this experience with my family. Now na diri akong anak ug akong asawa pud. So yeah, it's good to be with my family in back in my comfort zone, and yeah, Viva Pit Senyor and Happy Fiesta Pagadian.
All right. So very ko ano ka na ang sa Australian ko na ba kana ang intonation nimo?
Dili man Bisaya ra man gyapon ta 100%. Cebuano man ta.
Sir, no, mas mga viewers no, ang wa kay balo nga si Engineer Roger Asidilio, duha na kabok si Sir Fred Asidilio, ang negosyante buto Cebu. Yan si Sir Franz Bod nga to sa Australian naka-base ni. Now sir, ato lang gusto ta no nga pila ka tuig na ka sa Australia karon?
This year will be my 7th year, I think. Ni larga mi pag 2013. So more than that. So yeah, but I've been like working aron akong field sa defense industry there for like 7 years. But
7 years.
Ni larga jud mi pag 2013, so that's probably around like 13 years. 13 years now, 26 na mata karon. So
I remember na nakatrabaho ka sa DILG.
Oh.
What year ba to kasi
from 2011 to 2013.
13, no?
Yeah.
After 2013 mo naka-decide ka na
Naka-decide mi.
abroad ka.
Yeah, naka-decide mi nga mo abroad.
Now, direta may igsunan kay daghang yung utana sa tuwa kay sa itong mga supporters of course no, taga Pagadian nga si Engineer Roger Asidilio no, anak sa abroad na niya dako kani katungdanan sa abroad niya kibabi ka sa pamilya Asidilio, very humble no. Nga karon dako opportunity nga naa si Sir Franz no atong minabi at pod no sa atong mga viewers to mga kabatanuan taga Pagadian City, may inspired ta ba sir? By the way, unsa gyud imong posisyon, imong trabaho sa Australia?
I'm the company accountant of a company called Aero Defense. We supply aircraft parts, consumables, hardwares to the defense and commercial industries. So, for example, naka sa commercial like space, like Qantas, Virgin Airlines, and even some regional airlines like Regional Express in Australia. They are our customers, but mostly Samoang business, Samoang company is like the Department of Defense contractors. So, Department of Defense, Australian government, naman sila mga contractors, we are the supplier. So we order aircraft parts and consumables from overseas and we supply it to them.
Also a very big company.
It's not really that big. We've grown since I've joined as well, and then with the help of like with the leadership of a director, yani dako sad mi, and then yeah, it's so far so good. During COVID, we haven't had any issues. Before COVID, lockdown man airlines, but as we keep operating because our 70% at that time of our customers are actually based are coming from our revenues are coming from the Department of Defense, like contractors. So we're still like operating, and now borders are open, company access.
How many of you are Filipinos there in Australia so far sa imong
sa mong company, there's actually 2 of us. Yeah, 2 of us. Yeah.
So you're very lucky na duha ra ka Pilipino na nakasunod sa mong company, no?
Yeah, just maybe a little bit of luck and maybe preparation, because I've also like studied as well, like invested in myself, and with preparation meets opportunity, and yeah, with a little bit of a luck as well. So yeah, really
So
good.
in terms of your profession, in terms of your capacity, and imong status karon no, well off, well to do, or mayong tao secure na yung kaayo. But for a fact, not your parents also, si Engineer Asidilio sa kanakong negosyante po, ba mga sa status diri, no? O ba kay plano po, no? At the end of the day, when you're retired ba, nga doon na pa kay plano nga kaning mga business imong parents mo, nga ikanay handle gawas ni Sir Fritz.
So far I haven't really thought about it, but probably at some point for me it's just all cross the bridge when I get there. But yeah, I haven't closed any doors, but I'm happy where we're at right now, and I think everything is in good hands. So I think my brother especially is a very good person, so I think if there's anyone who will probably like take over, it's probably my brother first, but who knows. But
Only
yeah,
two of you.
yeah.
At this time, sa imong tanaw sa Pagadian City, may mga Pagadian, kasi nakita ni mga development sa Pagadian. So, sa una, dire pa ka, then, for 7 to 6 years,
Yeah.
may balik ka sa Pagadian, so nakita ni mo sa kausaban sa Pagadian.
Dako kayog improvement. Actually, I was actually surprised that daghan na kayog like business establishments. I think the Pagadian city itself has really like grown, and you can see that's a progress, and you can see that's a number of like people. And but the downside though is the traffic. I think more needs to be done when it comes to like infrastructure investment in regards to like roads, probably overpass, underpass, whatever. But yeah, it's because mas daghang tao, mas daghang income ng government, and yeah, it just needs more of like everyone needs to be more productive, so everyone's working, everyone's contributing to the economy and community, and return more revenue sa government, and then ibalik po na sa mga sa katauhan. So yeah, so far I was really impressed. It's not just the city but also sa like mga provinces diri. Kaya nagto mo sa Zamboanga del Norte. I visited my mom's side, Sibutad, ato medyo sa Sinipay in particular. It's really good, and part mo sad na sa diri sa Zamboanga Peninsula, Zamboanga del Norte, sa part sa na diri nga region. So it's really good. I can see has been a massive improvement since I've left, and hopefully sud balik nako mas daghan pa.
So, your wife was also a Filipina.
Yes.
From
Yeah.
where?
Cebu.
City.
Yeah.
So, Sister Fritz o Sister France na mga ilagi di ang soulmate from Cebu City.
Yeah.
Ikaw Cebu City.
Yeah. She's from Lutopan, Toledo. Yeah.
You have a pretty daughter, no?
Thank you.
So, your daughter now, since na dito sa ko sa Australia, ang iyang culture, ang iyang doon ba siya adjustment, or sa nakita niyo siya, pag-abot dito sa Pagadian and even sa part of Zamboanga Peninsula region sa Pilipinas ba? Sa iyong nakita nga iyang response ba?
The response has been great because she's actually been looking forward to this trip. Since namin sa Australia, she's like, I want to go back to the Philippines, want to see my family, my lolo, my lola, so even the sides sa akong mama dito. So yeah, it's been great because it's like nothing, it's not really a big adjustment. In fact, it's been like a good kind of like a reset for us, because in Australia we just work, and for her she started to play the piano. But it's good that kami na ami output when it comes to family now. If you want to reset, like just detach from day to day, like work and like living, and yeah, it's good at naami diri. So yeah.
Okay. So this time, sir, no, imong karong message no sa katisan sa Pagadian City. So good luck, and God bless you always.
Yeah. Again, happy Fiesta Pagadian. I hope you guys are having a great time. Again, but niya kalimtan ang tinuod nga meaning sa Sinulog. It's not about inom. Kay napoy nadunggan nga joke. Ingon sila pitsil nyor kay tagay kini. Dili na tagay. It's all about Santo Niño. It's all about love, child Jesus. So it's all about like bringing together. It's all about peace and harmony, cooperation. So it's not about inom. It's not about maghinamgiruay. So it's all about familia. It's all about love. Remembering that Jesus is our Savior and child Jesus is King. So,
all right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sister Frances. ACW, live ikan dari sa Sido Compound, J Apollos, J Channel, My TV, Your TV. Happy Festa, Viva Pit Señor Santo Niño.